Alright guys, Chrome Freak here. What you're looking at is the magazine for the Cteme battle rifle, which is sitting right there. What I'm loading it with is 308 Winchester 150 power point. So this is for the guy who tells me I cannot shoot 308 Win with my Cteme battle rifle. Watch this. Austin, film this for me, and you can entertain the people.
Really? The Forrest Gump wave? Forrest Gump wave, Mike. So,
308 Winchester.
well, pull a round out and zoom in for proof.
Tell me again it won't shoot 308. Okay guys, this is 75 yards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 out of 10. Or did I shoot 7? I'm gonna have to go back and look at the video to see actually how many I shot. As you can see, it's spread around. Not very good. I've never sighted that rifle in yet. I've just been playing with it. I actually put the bolt carrier from the parts kit into it to see how it would do. Here's another one up here. Not sure if that's for me or not. That looks too small. That looks like 223 right there. But anyway, not too bad. 75 yards. You can see back there. And that's 308. Once again, Winchester out of the Cetme. All right, guys, get back to